Welcome back to Jersey Matters. I'm Larry Mantey. It is an important weapon in the fight against the opioid crisis. A mobile unit that can come right into communities with important life-saving information. Our Kimberly Kravitz takes a ride on Hope One.
This truck beside me is so much more than just another vehicle on the road. For those battling addiction, they say it is a lifelong struggle, and at times, it is hard to find the silver lining. But thanks to the Morris County Sheriff's Office, they have offered a bit of hope. That is the Hope One initiative.
We provide a lot of services to people, but I always say it always starts with a cup of coffee. Coffee and the buns, and some brownies today, right? It starts with that cup of coffee, just like around our kitchen table.
The Hope One vehicle travels twice a week to locations throughout Morris County. And on site, you'll find the sheriff, a licensed clinician, a certified peer recovery specialist, and a mental health coach.
So we needed a vehicle. So I had this vehicle. It was formerly our SWAT vehicle. I run the sheriff's emergency response team. So we took all the police markings off it. And we took all the lights off it. There's no sheriff's star on it. Because of a co-occurring illness, I wanted people running to this truck like the Good Humor truck, not running away from it. So we wanted to do that. So we have some colors that are real welcoming and things like that. We needed to outfit it inside with Wi-Fi and some current technologies.
Hope One goes out, rain or shine, whether it's snowing, whether it's cold, or it's 100 degrees. We're out in the community. We're trying to do outreach, trying to talk to people about the epidemic that is real here in Morris County and across the country.
Providing a comfortable, stigma-free setting has allowed this program to provide resources to those individuals who have had difficulty navigating this journey.
We really try and show the community that we're there to help them, that we understand, we want to help, we're there to help. We go to the same locations, people know we're coming, they seek us out, and we're professionals, but I'm a person in long-term recovery myself. So it's not, it's personal for me and it's personal really for all of us because we see what it's doing to our community.
Resources like this are vital because law enforcement can't just arrest its way out of this opioid crisis that is plaguing our country.
Since we started, 6,144 people have approached us and asked us for some information on opioids. Last year, we had 84 people die. The previous year, we had 85 people die. So it's this problem. And when I came into office in 2017, I knew it was a problem, the number one problem and the concern of the public. So I said, what can we do about it? So I sat down with real sharp people, from chiefs of police to the county prosecutor, to people in the mental health community and people in the addiction community. I said, what can we do different here if we have a blank canvas?
Since its inception in Morris County, Sheriff Gannon has partnered with other departments across the state to take on this nationwide opioid crisis.
It's very exciting for us. Since we started here in Morris County, we've turned on some programs throughout the state. With Monmouth County, the sheriff down there turned on the program after we started here, and then Atlantic County turned on, and the Cape May County prosecutor turned on, and now we've been in Burlington County, and we're talking to Passaic County, and the list goes on and on.
People like Brian Ritz are grateful to know these resources are readily available and that you might be just steps away from getting the help you need.
It's definitely a lot different from when I first started using because, I didn't have this kind of stuff, these resources when I was first introduced to the drugs. Mm-hmm. It's definitely a nice thing to see because I do still have friends out there that are still not sober yet. So it's nice to know that these kind of resources are available to them.
Yeah, everyone talks about New Jersey being like an epidemic state of this, which is unfortunate. But as long as people are willing to help and volunteer like this and help put in the work, then that's just makes my whole day.
The Hope One vehicle was designed not only for those struggling with addiction, but also to train family members and friends in administering naloxone, the antidote to drug overdose.
So when something happens, they're able to be right there while they're calling 911 and give that dose of a Narcan to the person who truly needs it. So far in Morris County, we could track down 30 people that have had their lives saved by our training and our Narcan.
This is our Narcan kit. It comes with a 4 milligram Narcan with an expiration date on the back, and you just put it in one nostril and shoot in, and that's it. It also has a mouth shield and a pair of gloves, so you protect yourself before you administer it, because the drug can be absorbed through your skin, so you want to make sure that before you give that rescue breathing or touch the individual, you're protected. And we have a card that if you use the Narcan, fill out the card and mail it back to us, and we'll replace the Narcan.
I think the message is there's hope. There's hope. This all begins with hope. I've seen some tremendous success stories here. You know, we will provide you all the services. If you don't want to call CARES and you want to call the Morris County Sheriff, my name is Jim Gannon. You go on my website, click on the button, it goes to my head. It's as simple as that. And if it's 2 in the morning, we'll get services to people because it's that important.
So for more resources or to find a schedule of all of the Hope One locations, you can give a call at 973-625-1143, or you can go online to caresnj.org. In Morristown, I'm Kimberly Kravitz for Jersey Matters.